Alright, good night. Good day, tubes. I'm trying to be quiet because it's like 1 a.m. Just got home from work. Normally I wouldn't do a video like this just for this, but I have to do it for somebody. So, hello, Corey. Shout out to Corey. I loaned him some money. I just told him to just pay me back in hockey cards, so I've got 10 packs open for you guys tonight. So, I think I only need like 60 or 70 more cards. There's a list. There's the cards that I have. No redeem cards yet, so... Anyway, so this is going to be a probably very quick video. So, let's put you guys right there. Turn on the cool light here. Oh. There we go. It might be a little too dark. That's bad. That's worse. It's too light. Anyway, so we got 10 packs here. Thank you for this, by the way. So, let's open and see what we got here. Hopefully it's something we need. And hopefully it's a redeem card. Alright. Pretty sure we already have this one. Here's a good one, but I think I might have it. We'll have to check the list and see. Well, that's a good one. Should've got prices. Should've got the prices for you guys, but yeah. It might be $1 or $2. Okay, 9 more to go. We got Mr. Tim Horton. Oh, haha, we got a good card. Tim Horton. Here's a good card. Hockey Heroes. There we go. That's a good one. Well, here, let me turn on my PC and we'll do the pricing quickly. I'm waiting for that to boot up. Crystal Tang, pretty sure we already have him. Oops, put this guy here. Alright, that's pretty good for 2 packs so far. Wasn't expecting that. Maybe he is good luck. If you gotta buy me more packs, I'll give you the money. Can you go for free or for free though? That's the question. Alright, here we go. Got red die cast. Not really focusing, is it? Maybe my camera's just dirty, I don't know. No, there's another good one. These are just base cards, so they're not that great. I think I only need like 3 more, so come on. I make these things so hard to open sometimes. Alright, base card. Card that I already have like 100 of them. I think I need this one actually. Keep that there. Get the price up here quickly. Don't want to make the video too long because I want to go to bed. 10 hockey characters. That should be it. Yeah, okay, so we got prices, so let's do the prices. Do the prices afterwards. Alright, so this is pack number 5, I think. Number 5. Superstar. I'm not too sure if I need more superstars. I'll check. Can't remember. Mackenzie Blackwood. I needed that one a few days ago, but I got it already, so. Alright. Basic card. Canvas card. I think I might need that one too. Another basic card. We got 4 more packs. Patrick Line A. I might need that one actually. Cindy Crosby red die cast. I don't think I have that one, so. And Wow, it's been pretty good actually. Got all the good ones there, Corey. Just if we get a redeem card, it'd be even better. Or a trip to the Stanley Cup final, you know? Aaron, whatever his name is. Photo finish, don't need it, but we'll put in that one anyways. I got a redeem card actually last year. Here it is if you want to see it. It's worth a couple hundred. Actually, sorry, I did not find that. My friend found it and I bought it off of him. Alright, 2 more packs left. John Tavares. We got a gold etching. Pretty sure I have that one already. Another basic card. Alright, last pack. Come on, redeem. Nope. No redeem. So, another basic card, Superstar Showcase, and Boston. Cool. Alright, so let's do a little quick money thingy thing. So this card here, do this one first. He is worth $8, so not bad. Gold etching card are not worth that much. Let me see, let me just double check this guy. $3. It's not too bad. Superstar Showcase. I don't think they're worth that much. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Connor Howard. $1. Photo finish are not really rare. I got like too many of them. I'm actually looking for one more and I keep not getting it, so it's pretty frustrating. 75 cents, no big deal. Red die cast Crosby, $10. There we go. Nice. This guy here, $3. Superstar Showcase again. 75 cents. That one's garbage to me. Alright, this is the big money maker right here. Let's see, what's his name? $40. Here we go. Jack Hughes. Red die cast. He is worth $3. So there we go. That's pretty good. Now for my list, let's just see. Go through it quickly. 45. I already got this guy. Now, 89. No, I already have him. Never mind. 109. No, I already have him. Okay. Let me see. I've got like 2 minutes left of the video, so we gotta do this quickly. I already got this guy. This guy I did not have yet. So HL19. There we go. Goes in the pile. SS14. I already got all Superstar Showcase, so they're not very special anymore. Canvas 14. I needed him. Here we go. Crosby. I needed him, I'm pretty sure. No, I already have him. Okay, so I got double of that, apparently. Got to check that and see. I already got that one. Don't need that one. Gold etching. Don't need him. I already got him. I'm pretty sure I have this guy. We'll see. PP13. Yes, I do have him. So we got 2 cards that we needed. But yeah, $40 for this. That was $17 worth of cards. Pretty good. That's gonna do it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.